Welcome to the fascinating world of probability theory. Have you ever wondered how insurance companies calculate the risk of a rare disaster, or how telecommunication engineers predict the number of dropped calls in an hour? Today, we are diving deep into the Poisson Distribution, a mathematical powerhouse designed specifically to model the occurrence of rare events over a fixed interval of time or space. Named after the French mathematician Simeon Denis Poisson, who published his findings in 1837, this distribution was originally used to model the number of wrongful convictions in legal trials. Today, it is an indispensable tool in data science, physics, and economics. A Poisson process describes events that happen independently, at a constant average rate, where the exact timing of each event is completely random. To understand the intuition, imagine a busy call center. On average, they receive 10 calls per hour. This average rate is denoted by the Greek letter lambda, or lambda. Even though the average is 10, some hours might see 5 calls, while others might see 15. The Poisson distribution allows us to calculate the exact probability of seeing k events in that fixed window. Unlike the binomial distribution, we don't focus on a set number of trials, but rather on a continuous flow of time. Let's look at the mathematical anatomy of the Poisson formula. The probability of observing k events is equal to lambda raised to the power of k times e raised to the power of negative lambda, all divided by k factorial. Here, e is Euler's number, approximately 2.718. This formula might look intimidating, but it elegantly balances the expected rate against the diminishing probability of extreme outliers. For a process to be truly Poisson, 3 strict assumptions must be met. First, the probability of an event is proportional to the length of the interval. Second, the events must be independent. One person calling the center shouldn't make another person more likely to call. Third, 2 events cannot happen at the exact same infinitesimal moment. If these hold, we have a memoryless process, where the future does not depend on the past. A remarkable property of the Poisson distribution is its relationship with the binomial distribution. This is often called the law of rare events. When the number of trials, n, is very large, and the probability of success, p, is very small, the Poisson distribution converges into a Poisson distribution where lambda equals np. This is why we use Poisson for events like meteor strikes or winning the lottery, situations where there are millions of opportunities but a very low chance for each. In the modern world, the applications are endless. In cybersecurity, it models the frequency of DDoS attack packets. In biology, it predicts the number of genetic mutations in a DNA strand. In finance, it estimates the number of defaults on loans during a fiscal quarter. Notice how as lambda increases, the distribution starts to look more like a normal or Gaussian bell curve. This is the central limit theorem in action. As we conclude, remember that the Poisson distribution is the bridge between randomness and predictability. Whether you are analyzing traffic flow or radioactive decay, understanding lambda is the key to mastering the timing of the universe. Explore more, stay curious, and keep calculating. References: 1. Simeon Denis Poisson, Recherche sur la probabilité des jugements en matière criminelle et en matière civile, 1837. 2. John E. Friend, Mathematical Statistics with Applications. 3. Sheldon Ross, Introduction to Probability Models.